morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday to each and every one of you. Today is the 14th of May. It is Friday Eve. Welcome to it. My good things for today are running 3 miles and my family and children and delicious food. I have some good things to share from you guys from yesterday's attendance. Barney, dance classes, walks, new monitors, cookies, eggs, ruffles, strawberry milk, fettuccine alfredo, ice cream, kiwi, fresh pasta, cinnamon toast crunch. All right, a very short video for you today, Avid kids. On Tuesday, I had you review those 2 presentations. You should have submitted your thoughts and reactions to those presentations on Google Classroom already. Today is going to be even easier. I'm going to have you view this presentation on note-taking. It looks like this. I'll put the link into the Google Classroom assignment with this screencast. It's about note-taking. How and why should you take your notes? Should be in large part a review on our focused Cornell note-taking, but there's definitely some insights, and I like the why part, right? Why we're taking these notes. So, guess what I'd like you to do? I would like you to take notes on this note-taking presentation. When you have completed those notes, please take a photo or send them to me on Google Classroom. This will be due tomorrow at 3 o'clock. And that's all I have for today. Like I said, a short video. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.